Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Changing your address with the IRS is a critical step after you move, ensuring you receive important documents like tax refunds, notices, and correspondence without any delays. So, how do you do it online? The simplest and most common way to change your address with the IRS online is by filing your tax return. When you file your federal income tax return using any tax preparation software or through a tax professional, the address you enter on your Form 1040 automatically updates the IRS records. This is the primary online method the IRS uses. Once they process your return, your new address is officially in their system. It's easy and requires no extra steps. However, what if you've moved but it's not tax season and you don't need to file a return right away? Unfortunately, the IRS does not have a dedicated online portal where you can just log in and type in a new address. So, you'll have to use one of the other official methods. The first alternative is using Form 8822, which is the official change of address form. You can download this form directly from the IRS website, irs.gov. Simply fill it out with your name, social security number, your old address, and your new address, then sign and date it. The instructions on the form will tell you the correct mailing address to send it to, which depends on where you live. Keep in mind that this is a paper form you mail in, and it can take 4 to 6 weeks for the IRS to process it. Another option is to notify the IRS by phone. You can call them directly, but be prepared for potentially long wait times. To use this method, you'll need to verify your identity. Make sure you have your full name, social security number or ITIN, date of birth, and your old address ready. They will also likely ask you for information from a previously filed tax return, like your filing status or the address on that return, so have a copy handy. A final method is to inform the IRS in writing through a signed letter. Your letter must include your full name, your old and new addresses, your social security number or ITIN, and your signature. If you filed a joint return, both spouses should sign the letter. You can mail this letter to the same IRS address where you would typically file your paper tax return. Regardless of which method you choose, it's also a very good idea to file an official change of address with the U.S. Postal Service. The IRS does use USPS data to update taxpayer records, but this should not be your only method. You must still notify the IRS directly. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this guide helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more simple tips on managing your taxes and finances.